Currently, I am building out my positions on the dollar pairs. This is already episode 564. But what we have here is rise payout. What is up, guys, and welcome to the office here in Amsterdam. So we are back with the vlogs here on the channel. Today it's the 21st of January and I was in a live stream where we decided together with the entire community, Fabs, it is time to start vlogging again. For 2025, I made the deal with myself that I was going to start vlogging more. So let's just start doing it. So to start off, what I want to show you guys is what I've been looking at and been working on for the past few days. Currently, I am building out my positions on the dollar pairs, so expecting some further dollar weakness. This is pound dollar. I'm in a long. I'm also in a long on euro dollar and on Aussie dollar. So all of them are flying. Aussie dollar, I also shared it as a trade inside of the community. So this is the actual trade that I'm currently in with my stop loss underneath 4-hour demand. Furthermore, I did a payout request yesterday on Alpha Capital. So I have 200K in funding with them. What I'm going to show you is the actual payout that I requested. Just to give you an idea, this is the account that I am trading on. So as you can see, equity is $103,000. The balance as well, with just over 10 trades taken. So what I pretty much do with these funded accounts is that every single time I have the opportunity to get a payout. So for example, when I'm 3K in profit, I just straight away park the account, get the payout, and then I just continue trading with the other accounts. So yeah, I'll bring you guys along into the next activity, what we're gonna do. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet. It's around 7 p.m. at night. So I'm gonna go and have some dinner because I've been just in the office all day long. I did go to the gym, by the way, here in the early morning. But yeah, bring you guys along and let's head out. A very good morning. Today it is Wednesday and welcome back to the office. We're here and I'm about to record the daily market outlook. As you can see, I have the setup ready. I'm looking currently at Euro USD, which has seen a minor retracement last night. So waiting for further upside on that. I'm currently in 2 positions, or 3 positions actually, pound dollar longs, Aussie dollar longs, and euro dollar longs. So still expecting a further pullback from the dollar. Now we're going to go and record a daily market update and see you there. A very good morning and welcome back to another daily market outlook. Today we're looking. So we just recorded the daily market outlook and now I'm uploading it onto YouTube. This is pretty much what I do every single morning. So the one thing that I'm never gonna get used to is that this is already episode 564. So episode 564, imagine guys, myself recording myself 564 days already. I hear myself every single morning, literally when I'm at home as well. My girlfriend gets so mad at me, man, when I keep on playing these videos like out loud. She says like, oh, I hear your voice every single day. So I can't imagine how you guys are experiencing that as well. But yeah, I mean, for myself, it's also sometimes a little bit crazy to hear myself on every single market outlook. But yeah, obviously it helps myself a lot as well, because every single day when I take the trades or when at the end of the day, I do kind of like a review of the markets, then I always check back what I was saying in the market outlook just to understand if I was actually right. Now, sometimes obviously I make mistakes as well. I'm not always able to say what I actually completely want to say or what my complete vision was, just because I know like it's a recording, right? So I don't edit these videos. I open my laptop in the morning, then I just straight away, boom, dive into the market outlook and without actually even preparing anything, just so that you guys get my fresh thoughts. And then later during the day, obviously I can kind of change my mind on a few things, but then I tend to share that inside Discord obviously as well. All right, so just finished off making an update for the inner circle members. So everybody who's in my inner circle received updates throughout the day, what I'm looking at, what trades I take, especially on the swing trade side of things. So I just explained that we're looking here at Euro USD longs after breaking this 1 hour kind of like sell before the buy up. I'm also looking at a further long position on AUD USD. I'm already inside a swing position as I have shared, but now what we can see is that we're breaking out in towards the upside. So I hope the camera is sharp enough, but you can see we have this beautiful descending correction. Now we have this sell before the buy up, and now I'm just looking for the retest to continue up higher and yeah, trade in alignment with the daily time frame. So that's pretty much what I'm looking at for now. Recorded the update, shared it, and I'm now looking to share the skill in as well inside Discord. If you want to receive updates like this, make sure to join through the link in the description down below. So what I just want to show you is actually what it's really like to be a trader, guys. So What I have here open on my screen is my Alpha Capital metric dashboard. And I hope the lighting is good. Otherwise, I'll add a screenshot. But what you can see here is that the account equity is currently sitting at $100,472. But my balance is actually 93,000. So this account was in massive drawdown, guys, massive 6.2% drawdown. And if you have ever traded prop firm accounts, you will know what it feels like to trade on an account that is live, funded, but in massive drawdown. It just hits differently psychologically, and it's quite a big strain on the mind because you're pretty afraid to take new setups. But this is where you really need to man up and continue executing, not cutting the position short, so not closing them too early. Because obviously, if you close a position too early, when you normally have a risk to reward of, let's say, 1 to 2 or 1 to 3, and you suddenly start closing the position at a 1 to 1 risk to reward, you will get your hands burnt. Now, what I can share as well are the two positions. So obviously it's euro dollar and pound dollar that I'm in. Here, pound dollar just needs to see one little push up higher, and euro dollar as well. We can currently see that we've taken out those highs. So it was kind of camping at those highs over there. It just broke above it. Currently, I'm waiting for the 4 hour to continue with its push up higher. What I need to see is the highs get taken out above over here. So around 1.04580. That is the high that I'm currently looking to see get taken out. So once that happens, we'll hit TP. Yeah, I'll update you guys later on that once, or if we hit it. Obviously, I don't know if we're going to hit it, but preferably I would hit it. And yeah, I'll update you guys then. As you can see, I'm here in OBS. This is the software that I use to record videos. If you follow me on both Instagram and YouTube, you know that every single day I post a new reel and short. These are just purely educational, explaining how to identify market structure, how to use supply and demand in the correct way. So these videos are around 1 minute on average, but they actually take around 20 minutes to 25 minutes to record. So it's actually quite a lot of work. So yeah, I'm just going to record it here now. Then I'm going to head outside and go for a quick run. Been standing here behind the desk already all day, so getting a little bit tired. So I need to just refresh the brain, kind of like open up my body or whatever you want to call it when you go for a run. All right, so just want to share something small with you here real quick. As you can see, we moved spots to the big screen now. But what we have here is Rise payout. So we received a payout from Alpha Capital, $2,700. Absolutely beautiful. For your knowledge, this is, I think, around the third payout now in January. So far, we've done around $10,000 in payouts. In Q4 of last year, we actually did $50,000. We have around 10 different funded accounts for around $1.1 million in live capital or funded capital. And then what we do is that we just boom, we place a trade on one of the accounts, or for example, 2 or 3 of them. We don't all trade them at the same time. And then what we do is that as soon as we hit TP, for example, for 1 to 3 risk reward, and there's $3,000 profit on the account, we just park the account, we don't touch it anymore, and then we just move on to the next account so that we don't over risk by taking, for example, only dollar longs on all of the same accounts. Because then obviously if you have a losing streak or if you lose a trade, you're going to get hit really badly. But by doing this and switching the accounts continuously, what you can then do is that you can, for example, have a losing streak of, let's say, 4 trades, but then they're spread out over 4 different accounts. So you only have 1 loss on every single account, and then you win, for example, again, and then you're already going to be 2% up. So that's the good thing about changing and rotating through the accounts. So yeah, let's see. I'll share some more information on the accounts that we have. Obviously, I'll share my screen as well so that you guys can kind of see my Alpha Capital dashboard, my FD mode dashboard. As I have nothing to hide, I'm really happy that I have this platform where I can just share the real life of a trader with you guys, and yeah, that you guys also know that who you're watching actually knows what he's doing and what he's talking about. So thanks. We're gonna head out for a run now. At least I am, and yeah, Rutger should be back by the time I'm back as well. And see you later.
5 more kilometers to go, guys.
All right, guys, so just finished my 5K run. I'm on my way home to take a shower and then head back to the office. On this street, this is called the Leidsestraat. It's like the main street of Amsterdam where all the tourists come and stuff. You got some big shops here like Lululemon, New Balance, JD, and like a 10-minute walk from here you also have like Louis Vuitton and stuff. So yeah, it's kind of like the main street. So yeah, had a good run and on our way to home and then to the office. And we're back in the office here, checking in on the XRP chart. In the meantime, also got myself a nice little lunch. This is in Dutch called a broodje bal. It's a sandwich with a meatball on it and peanut sauce. So this is actually a Dutch delicacy. If you ever are in Amsterdam and you want a really good sandwich, make sure to hit me up because I really know what the best sandwiches are here in Amsterdam. So yeah, that's that. I'm going to listen to some podcasts and also going to do a quick update for myself. little bit of reading on what the recent fundamental updates are in the United States. And then just check in with all the major dollar pairs and of course the community as well. We have a live session inside Discord as well with Rutger this afternoon. So I'll bring you guys there as well and see you later. All right, guys. So in the meantime, I'm just checking in on the charts, but Rutger is hosting a live stream inside Discord. So let's check it out. He is currently sharing his opinions on the markets. As you can see, there's around 200 people in the live as well.
On the weekly time.
The chat here going
also,
wild.
We are trading in the premium of this.
That's it, another day here at the office. All right, guys, so I'm just here chill, minding my own business. I was looking for a potential Euro USD long position. As you can see, I'm sitting behind the massive monitor, by the way. But then suddenly Rutger sends this message in the chat or in the market updates chat asking what will it be, champagne or dry bread, with a pound Aussie long position for around $200 in profit currently. So let's have a quick interview with him so maybe he can explain what he has been up to. So Rut, what have you been up to, mate?
So I was just doing the weekly Q&A in Discord, and I was like, okay guys, let's have some fun. This is live trading session, right? So actually Trash Star, one of our mods, she mentioned the GBP AUD longs. So I was looking at it and I was like, okay,
yeah, it's here on the screen, right?
30-minute 3 condition POI, and then I want to get the fractal confirmation of that POI. So then scaled into the 5 minute, saw the fractal break, and then I went to the 3 minute to spot some internal liquidity. And then took it on stream. We almost hit stop loss, as you can see. So I was like, yeah, guys.
Yeah, it was really close to stop loss.
It was like an 8 pip stop loss.
How close was it to stop loss? Like one or two pips,
it was
maybe?
Like 2 pips of the stop
But yeah,
loss.
the best part is that you took it live on stream, obviously.
But I was like, okay, guys. So I'm either going to down a bottle of champagne or eat dry bread on the stories. And I thought,
so apparently it's going to be champagne.
So my TP placement was a little bit off because I had the initial TP on, I thought on 500, but as you can see,
still getting used to this flogging thing, as you know.
On the MetaTrader screenshot, I closed it like a little bit too early, so it was only 300. But you can see on the chart here, the TP should have been higher on 500.
All right, but good stuff, man.
300 is still...
TP's getting hit here in the office, so he's going to start drinking a champagne. Yeah. And see you guys later, man. Rutger got us dinner. So Rutger just went to the gym. I was finishing off the webinar and obviously checking the markets as well. But what do we have here, my man? What did you get?
We got some meatballs from the Italian, some tortellini, also some pasta filled with parmesan, and I think Carsten has
tortellinis as well.
Tortellinis, some mozzarella.
What are we gonna do? I have to get the mic, but we're gonna enjoy our dinner. All right, guys. So we are just here down the hall with my massive friend. He knows what I like. Coke Zero, of course. Obviously, Gan. Obviously, we're gonna do a live stream. And what do I need? I need some Coke Zero.
At the zero.
Anything to say to the vlog, my brother?
Love Coke.
All right, gonna enjoy it. Speak to you guys later. And that's another day in the life. Thanks so much for tuning into the vlog, guys. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Also, make sure to comment down below if you want to see anything specific on these vlogs. In the meantime, I'm here in South America, in Brazil, and we'll be back in the office this weekend. So we'll be recording many more day in the lives, and see you in the next one. Thanks.